Vishal, what's your view on the regulatory landscape? Are there any hurdles which can kind of create a bit of challenge in terms of investments in this sector? And what is it which is needed from a regulatory boost perspective to really give a jump start to investments in this sector?
I will not call them as hurdles. I will say that these could be enablers if government actually start looking at it. Number one, the foreign university bill, which is pending for some time now, and the Modi government has clearly shown intentions to approve it, should be approved ASAP, and India can take the advantage of pandemic, if I may say so. Number two, do not wait for another pandemic like we waited for focusing on affordable rented housing for workers. Create student housing as a sort of a mission and give it an infrastructure status and a priority status, because we do have 150 million students who would consume student housing, and that is a very large number to be left sort of uncatered to. Number three is, I would say, clarity in terms of enabling, the education infrastructure and FDI. Clearly, government should come out with a policy declaring it as a priority sector and allow it to be considered as a separate product class. Because today, if you go and get an approval from a municipality for a student housing, it is either a commercial building or a housing building, or it is a hotel. There is no category of student housing. Like for a hospital, you have a separate category, the fire norms and everything. I think the state governments, the larger university towns should create such framework when we go and get building approvals. Last not the least, what Gujarat has shown the way, creating dedicated university towns and clusters is very, very critical. We did start very positively in NCR. We have a very nice knowledge city in Noida, a very nice knowledge city near Sonipat. I think every state should endeavor to create this and create common student housing, which will also create a very nice ecosystem where students will be able to go to different universities, pursue different courses while staying in one big, huge campus. So I think these are the four things, if you ask me, what government can do to enable this sector.